This is the negative side of a 50-volt power supply with hydrogen bubbles coming off of it. This is what we have been and will again be lighting on fire in a blue bowl, but the blue bowl becomes very dirty when you create a lot of it, so we just wanted to show the reaction, because when the water's dirty you really can't see shit. You can't really tell what's going on. So that's just the bubbles coming off of the minus, and then we have the plus on the outside of this upside down container in here. And this upside down container is filled with water, and we suck the air bubble out of the top of this. So anything that's coming off of here is just what's in there. So that's pretty much, well, pure gaseous hydrogen. And then this makes a cloud of oxygen off of the positive. But it's 50.1 volts, and we rigged it up and measured the current, and that was 330 milliamps. So that's, we could get 3 times as much out of the power supply if we made a bigger coil. But we were just bursting little bubbles with a shot glass. That's what we actually used. But this is made out of completely water. There's nothing else in the container but tap water from good old Schenectady, New York, home of General Electric, whatever. But it's probably water plus calcium, lime, copper, lead, whatever's in the pipes in our building, whatever fell off the roof and dripped into the... No, it is just tap water though. And then if we add iodized table salt to it, standard salt that we bought at the discount grocery store, so we don't shop the expensive one, but salt, alright, maybe a tablespoon of salt in there now, and the salt made it a little bit white, but now you can see how much the bubbles intensify with like a tablespoon of salt per, maybe that's a little less than a half gallon. But that's really wonderful as far as like making a car run off hydrogen. We're a couple of fucking stoned idiots in the kitchen playing with a power supply we took out of a phone company's shitbox that they had installed. So the total power on that, I guess, would be not 50 watts, probably about around 17 watts, 18 watts, something like that, because we're at a third of that 50 watts.